Hello guys, I'm Dr. Gökay Bilgin from Smile Hair Clinic. So today we are shooting a series which is called Rapid Fire. I definitely have zero idea about the questions, so I have 30 seconds to answer each one of them. I don't know if I will be doing good or if you would think that I could do better. So I want to see the comments. Yes, question number 1.
Does smoking affect hair transplant success?
Yes, it has 20% negative effect on the hair transplant success because carbon monoxide binds with our hemoglobin, which is the red material that transports oxygen to the cells without an unbreakable bond, so it decreases the oxygen transport capacity of the blood. So it's like planting trees into a desert.
How important is sleep in recovery?
Our body's recovery period is really depending on how good you sleep. So it's pretty important. We recommend at least 8 hours of sleep after hair transplant for the first 15 days.
Should patients avoid the gym after transplant?
In textbooks, it says people need to give a break for 15 days after hair transplant to the gym. But we had seen some people who hit the gym after 15 days and they got ringworm. So at Smile Hair Clinic, we want our patients to stay away the gym for a month.
Do vitamins or supplements really help growth?
Of course they help. If you can find the right supplement after the hair transplant, it will have a positive impact on the hair growth and grow result.
How long should patients avoid sun exposure?
We want our patients to stay away the UV lights for 3 months. The sun damages the DNA of the cells, and in this case, these cells are multiplying really fast, so it damages more, and it has a negative impact on the hair growth and the healing process. So we want our patients to stay away from the sun for 3 months. Thank you for joining us today, and please do not hesitate to contact us for anything in your mind. See you guys.